Okay. Other balancing techniques. Okay, kanina, the other day, yung split 6 pa rin. Ito, the split 6 descending technique balance the upper, middle, and lower warmers. Similarly, there is a needle technique that balances the muscle tension on the left and right sides of the body. This can be used to treat hemiplegia, facial paralysis, or unilateral neck tension with or without headache. Okay? Sabi dito, one symptom that occurs in tandem with a difference in muscle tensions on either side is a deviated tongue. It may present in a person who has no symptoms of muscle tension or when there are unilateral muscle tension problems or paralysis with either spasticity or laxity on one side of the body, mga na-stroke. It is quite understandable that the increased muscle tension on one side pushes the tongue to the other side. This symptom will improve or completely disappear after one treatment. However, the treatment must be consolidated by repeating it 4 to 8 times or about 2 sessions per week. If there is no change after 2 sessions, then it is unlikely to cause an effect and one need not continue with the treatment. Bago naman ang gagawing technique, okay? So, since muscle tension is related to liver yang, we need to compare the liver yang on both sides of the body. This could be done simply by measuring the resistance to heat on point liver 1 on both feet sa may paa. Just like a moxa cigar, so the entire head is glowing, hindi naman masyadong buo, not partially, and perform a sparrow pecking movement at 1.5 centimeters away from the point while counting the pecks silently to yourself. Okay? The patient should tell you the exact moment the heat becomes uncomfortable. So, sasabihin niya kung ouch na, okay? Repeat on the other foot, and at the end of it, you should have a reading. Sa left liver 1, 14 pecks. Sa right liver 1, over 40 pecks, okay? Obviously, left liver meridians has more yang than the right liver meridian. Now, we should send the liver yang from the left to the right side. Under normal circumstances, we sedate liver yang indirectly through sedation of gallbladder yang, and we tonify liver yang indirectly through tonification of gallbladder yang. Remember po, we should do the same in this case too, except that our choice of points is different this time. Instead of using the sedation and tonification points of the gallbladder, we will be using the U1 source and the low connecting points, both of the gallbladder. Okay? So here may tower diagram tayo sa left and right. Sa left is liver yang excess, mataas yung yang. And then sa right is liver yang deficiency. So sa left, sedate natin yung gallbladder yang and sedate gallbladder 40, the U1 source point. Yan. At sa liver yang deficiency naman, ito tonify yung gallbladder yang at ito tonify yung gallbladder 37 or the low connecting point. So yung dalawang needles ay kailangan naka-retain ng 30 minutes while vibrating the U1 source points only every 10 minutes. Okay? Yan po yung process.